Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? Today I wanted to share my current nighttime routine. I am currently finishing up my 6th month of pregnancy. I am more than halfway through, so I thought this would be a good time to share some of the changes that I made into my routine. There will also be a giveaway in tonight's video by our sponsor Hello Body, so keep an ear out for that in a bit. But first, let's start dinner. I feel like everyone's nighttime routine starts with dinner. I'm going to be honest with you, I can cook probably a total of 3 meals. I can do it really well, but my husband is the one who does 99.9% of the cooking. And with being pregnant, I see this as a huge luxury. If he wants to make the meals, I will happily eat all the meals. He actually has an Instagram dedicated to just the meals he makes. It's Cody Cooks Food if you want to look at it and see some of the recipes he shares. But tonight, I am kind of helping him cook, mostly because we're filming. For dinner tonight, this is gonna sound super fancy, but he made brown butter carrots with potatoes au gratin and sous vide filet. And if you are wondering, sous vide meat will look way more rare and pink than it is, but this is more of a medium to well done, and this is how you should be eating your meat, or how they say if you are pregnant. My next pregnancy ritual of the night is to take a bath. I am just over showers at this point. If I can sit or lay down doing something, I will. And I found it really doesn't take too much to give yourself a super luxurious bath experience. If you just fill up one of these bathtub trays, and you can find them on Amazon for fairly cheap, and fill them up with snacks, light a candle, you already have a great ambiance going. Also, for very inexpensive, I got this cute little bath thermometer. It's not recommended to take like a scalding hot relaxing bath during pregnancy, so I found using a thermometer, keeping it under 100, can give me the best bath experience with the least amount of stress. I like to give myself a good soak, take some of the pressure off my back, so I will pop on a show. This might be a little extra, but I'm honestly obsessed. And I'm currently watching Tiger King on Netflix. If you have not watched it, please do yourself a favor and go watch it right now. I also take this time to wash my face. I will do a double cleanse. So I'll start with an oil or a balm first to remove waterproof makeup. And then I wipe that off with a damp Hello Bamboo reusable cotton pad. I have been obsessed with using the reusable cotton pads over makeup wipes recently. It is so much more gentler on the skin and also easier on the environment. And then to complete my double cleanse, I go in with an oil-free cleanser. Next, I cleanse my body, and my favorite combination is this eczema-friendly soap by Bliss, and then Cocoa Glam by Hello Body exfoliator. This has helped my dry skin so much. I have just been really suffering with just like dry, itchy skin, and this will remove the dead skin, but it's also very hydrating at the same time with the coconut oil. I didn't shave tonight, but if you do shave before you do this, because the coconut oil will kind of fight with the razor. Once I'm out of the bath, I start my skincare routine, and I actually start body first over face because my body is just so dry and growing like crazy and stretched out right now. I start by lotioning my entire body with cocoa milk from Hello Body. This contains cocoa butter, and it is super soothing to my dry and irritated skin. And there is also sesame oil in there, and that has been very helpful for firmness. I am definitely losing firmness in some places. And I, of course, love to put this on my belly, but it is not the only thing I do. I double hydrate. For belly oil, I use Cocoa Slim by Hello Body. And out of the entire collection, this has by far been my favorite product. This stuff is ultra hydrating, and it really locks in that moisture overnight. If you would like to win a $100 gift card to Hello Body, just leave a comment down below on what your biggest skin struggle is, or your biggest skin goal in the comments down below. And like this video, I will have all the other details in the video description. If you would just like to shop now, I do have a coupon code for 30% off and also a free set of the Hello Bamboo disposable pads, and the code is just my name, Brittany. Now for my face skincare routine, I've had to make some changes. I used to use and heavily rely on retinol. I think it's amazing. And also a product called Grande Lash, but both of these items are not safe during pregnancy. If you are not pregnant, please indulge in these items. Instead, now I focus on brightening and hydrating serums. I'm struggling with dry, irritated, itchy skin, and now eczema, as I said. But also, just recently, I'm noticing hyperpigmentation, hormonal breakouts, and a lot of redness. I've been really trying to be easy on myself and my skin and just accept that these things are very much so out of my control right now, but I still enjoy having a routine. It makes me feel better about everything. These are the products that I have been using, that I have gotten the A-OK from my OBGYN. It's kind of just a huge concoction of serums and lotions. If you want to check any of these products out or anything that I mentioned, I will have everything linked in the video description. But honestly, I've still been trying to play around with what's working on my face right now because every day is a little bit different. Before bed, I'd like to pretend that I have like some productive nighttime hobby, but I kind of just feel like zoning out and not stressing is the key to success right now. I will usually just end my night with binging some Netflix, watching a movie, eating some snacks, and hanging out with my dog. And yes, I am a very weird dog mom. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to share an apple with Riot. It's like her favorite treat. That and carrots. I know it's not like the best parenting of a dog ever, but it's like our favorite thing. Like I'll cut an apple and she'll know that is an apple and she'll go sit on the couch. And I also realized that we're probably not gonna get this quality time when the baby comes. I am a little bit worried that she might get a little bit jealous, so we'll see how that plays out. If anyone has any words of wisdom, leave them in the comments, DM me. Right before bed, I will take my prenatal. I'm still going to suggest getting yourself a pill case if you are being forgetful right now. And yes, once I am finally done with all my snacking of the night, I do brush and floss my teeth. I know some of you guys thought I forgot to show it in the last scene, but I knew I was gonna keep eating, so I just wait like right before bed. I don't do anything special. Brushing my teeth is pretty basic stuff. Like I don't even have a vibrating toothbrush. Also, I don't know how people look like cute and not like a rabid dog when they're brushing their teeth, but it is always important to take good care of your mouth, but especially when you are pregnant, because pregnancy gingivitis is a real thing. It's something my mom had, so I am a little bit scared that I'll get it, but so far, so good. Then I finally head to bed, and quick tip or lazy girl tip is I have my bedding pillow situation very minimal. It makes it so much easier to make my bed every morning, which was something that I used to not do, but it is a game changer to get into your bed at night and have it be made. It just kind of gives you an am I at home or am I at a hotel feeling. And yes, I am still super obsessed with my pregnancy pillow. If you do not have one, I still suggest it. This one was like I think 40 bucks from Amazon. Best $40 I've ever spent. If you're wondering, yes, Cody does sleep in the bed with me, but he was actually like playing some weird computer game called Factorium, and he didn't want to break away to film this fake going to bed scene with me. And guys, that is everything for my current nighttime routine. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, you can always ask, you can DM me, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Bye!